Hey everyone, welcome to 2025 hackathon season. My name is Elton Tay and I'm a dev pro at Circle. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Circle's hackathon bounties at ETHGlobal and show you how you can build and win prizes this year. Before we dive into the bounties, let's talk about Circle. Circle is a global financial technological company that issues USDC, the world's largest regulated stablecoin. Circle also provides stablecoin infrastructure and developer tooling to enable businesses and developers to build real-world blockchain applications. Circle's suite of APIs, SDKs, and smart contracts makes it faster, easier, and safer to bring blockchain benefits to your applications, whether you're working on payments, DeFi, wallets, or security. Now, let's talk about what you came for, the hackathon bounties. This year, we're introducing 4 bounties designed to challenge you to push the boundaries of what's possible with USDC and Circle's stablecoin infrastructure. The first hackathon bounty is to build a multi-chain USDC payment system. Cross-chain payments are the future. Seamless, fast, and efficient transactions across multiple blockchains will unlock new possibilities for businesses and users. That's where you come in. We want you to build an application that enables cross-chain USDC payments using the newly released CCTP V2. Show us how payments should work in a truly interconnected ecosystem. This track will have 2 winners, each receiving $2,000. The second hackathon bounty is to enable end users to pay for gas using USDC. Let's face it, gas fees are a huge barrier for mainstream adoption. But what if users could pay for gas directly with USDC, skipping the need for native tokens? That's exactly what Circle Paymaster enables. Your challenge is to integrate Circle Paymaster into an application that makes transactions smoother with USDC. If you can show us a creative way to eliminate friction, you can walk away with $2,000. The third hackathon bounty is to build a smart wallet with dynamic security controls. Security is a must-have, not an afterthought. With modular wallets and Circle's compliance engine, you can build a smart wallet that adapts to your security needs. Think multi-factor authentication, passkeys, or transaction monitoring, all built directly into your wallet experience. Design a wallet that puts security and usability first, and you could be our next bounty winner of $2,000. The last hackathon bounty is implement hooks for CCTP V2 transfers. Imagine a world where cross-chain transactions trigger automated actions without manual intervention. With CCTP hooks, you can program workflows that activate once a cross-chain USDC transfer has been completed. We are looking for automation that makes cross-chain finance smarter, and the best solution will walk away with $2,000. To qualify for any of these bounties, your submission must meet the following requirements. First, a functional MVP and architecture diagram. So your project must demonstrate a working front-end, back-end, and be accompanied with a clear architecture diagram. Number 2, a video demonstration and presentation. Please come to us and present your work. Explain clearly your project, how it integrates Circle's developer tooling, and include your supporting documentation. Number 3, GitHub or Replit repository. Provide a publicly accessible repository with clean and well-documented code. So these are the 3 main requirements that you should meet. Additionally, be sure to clearly state which bounty you're submitting for as part of your submission. So that's it. Whether you're hacking solo or with a team, we can't wait to see what you build. Push the limits, be creative, and make an impact. Wishing you all the best, and most importantly, happy hacking.